All of the roads are gone. This is right in front of my house. The whole main road all the way down is washed out. My neighbor's house, all washed out. The winds are really heavy right now, about 50 miles an hour, so I'm going to try to do this as best as I can. Oh my God, I can't even hold the phone, it's so windy. The whole corner edge of the road down the end is gone. I don't know if you can see the running water. All the water flowing. Whoa. See all the water flowing into my neighbor's yard. That's all going into his house right now. Say a prayer for Livingston, everybody. We're gonna need it. If this rain keeps up like this in a few hours, we might be out of here. I'll keep you posted. God bless.